Hi, I'm Satoshi here with Red Raptor Video. A lot of small businesses know that making a video is a great way to demonstrate a product, to get your message out, or to simply advertise. Today, we're going to help you avoid one of the most common mistakes in filmmaking. One of the worst and most common mistakes is bad sound. And even the best looking videos will be ruined by it.
Our product is revolutionary. It is going to change science, change politics, even change religion. Right here in my hands, this is the future. But the most important part is its ingenious elegance. Its sleek design is a crystal to the ideal that form follows function.
Ideally, you want to use a lav mic. The one I'm using here is a Pro JK004. We also use the Audio-Technica 3350. Both of these lav mics plug directly into the Zoom H1 recorder via a 3.5mm plug. Together, the total cost will be $120. Alternatively, there's the SmartLav by Rode, which plugs directly into your smartphone to record. Sometimes you can't use a lav mic for various reasons, like say you're trying to record two actors on screen, or your actor has no shirt on, or both, in which case you should consider using an external shotgun mic. There are several advantages to using this kind of system. 1, it records really nice sound. 2, it can focus in on whatever it's pointed at. And 3, it still captures the natural tone of the room, so overall, your recordings will sound better. Unfortunately, this requires a lot more pieces to set up and will cost you at least $350. Another option is to mount a microphone directly onto the camera, and this will guarantee a better sound quality than whatever is built in. We're actually using one right now, and we'll use it to help sync up the video and the audio later. Also, we can use it as a backup just in case our main sound systems ever fail.
Which never happens.
It always happens.
It never happens.
It definitely happens.
No.
Totally, no. If you have to use the internal mic, there are a few things you can do to still get the best results possible. First, you need to limit the amount of noise around you. Close all doors, any windows, turn off the fans, and it's also best to film indoors so you limit the amount of ambient sound. There's a lot of things around the office or home that you might not first think of that generates a lot of noise. The air conditioning unit and refrigerator are some examples. Make sure to let everyone know to turn off their music, their phones, and to limit any movement while you're filming. You can yell "quiet on the set" to let people know that you're filming. Quiet on the set! When you're done, you can say "cut" to let everyone know that they can go back to whatever they were doing. You should also get close to your subject with the camera. You'll get a much better recording than a wider shot. Worst case scenario, if your audio sounds like this, you may need to use ADR. This process is never as good or as efficient as recording the video and audio at the same time. What it involves is showing the actors the clip that they recorded, and then having them re-record the lines in a much more controlled environment. You can also apply a low-pass filter which can remove some of the background hiss. Most popular NLEs have some sort of option available. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more awesome content. And be sure to check out the rest of our series, Common Mistakes in Filmmaking.